And so I have this railroad plate here with spike, and this kind of means something to us because this is from Camp Benny that we do some food plots, and there's a flat area that we suspected was a long railroad bed. Chris ran the rototiller on his Kubota over it. These things started spitting up all over the place. So
which was not as cool at the moment because it sounded pretty terrible.
Yeah, we wouldn't recommend that. It's not really good on equipment. A result of it anyway. And so we're gonna head up to Rob's place today and see if we can make a knife out of this, and that'll be a nice keepsake and memory, and hope to gut some deer with it. And so yeah, this is pretty cool, so looking forward to it.
Pretty awesome opportunity for sure.
Yeah,
that's a skill set and knowledge. If it's not passed down, it's just lost. So pretty awesome to have that opportunity.
Right on.
Place it in there.
Sasquatch jeans.
And as straight as you can keep it, you're good doing it. We all know that. Yeah, and if you can bring it all the way around to the twist that you like, then you're pretty well done twisting your handle.
Good things this evening. We saw 4 or 5 this morning, but no real good shot opportunities. And also, I brought this along, and what this is an old railroad spike from the 1800's that I found up at Camp Benny when we were putting in a food plot on an old railroad bed. We heated it up, put a nice twist in the handle, and pounded it into a blade, and so I'm hoping to use that tonight. It'll be a good memory since it's coming from deer camp, and take something from the 1800s and repurpose it into a tool that's useful today. It's a good idea. So pretty sweet, looking forward to it.